Amber Heard said she has been sent thousands of death threats since her U.S. trial with Johnny Depp began, telling the jury through tears, "I just want Johnny to leave me alone." Heard, 36, took to the stand today to speak of the humiliation and threats she has suffered during the 6-week court case, as the evidence came to a close, with both sides giving their closing arguments tomorrow. The actress revealed how people had told her they want to put my baby in the microwave, and spoke of how she copes with the trauma of the alleged abuse inflicted by Depp. During the trial, Heard has alleged Depp, 58, physically and sexually assaulted her, which he strenuously denies. Returning to the stand, Heard was asked by her lawyer how she has been affected by statements made by Adam Waldman, one of Depp's lawyers in 2020, which claimed the actress's accusations were false and a hoax. She said, "I am harassed, humiliated, threatened, every single day. Even just walking into this courtroom, sitting here in front of the world, having the worst parts of my life, things that I have lived through, used to humiliate me. People want to kill me, and they tell me so, every day. People want to put my baby in the microwave, and they tell me that. Johnny threatened, promised me, that if I ever left him he'd make me think of him every single day that I lived." Her lawyer then asked how the alleged statements and threats made by Mr. Depp today continue to manifest themselves today, to which she said, "In the harassment, in the humiliation, the campaign against me that's echoed every single day on social media and now in front of cameras in this room. Every single day I have to relive the trauma. My hands shake. I wake up screaming." She went on, "I am not sitting in this courtroom snickering. I'm not sitting in this courtroom laughing, smiling, making snide jokes. I'm not. This is horrible. This is painful. And this is humiliating for any human being to go through. Perhaps it's easy to forget that I am a human being." Speaking about the death threats she has received since the Waldman statement, Amber said, "I receive hundreds of death threats regularly, if not daily. Thousands since this trial has started, with people mocking her and her testimony," she said. In tears she went on, "I just want Johnny to leave me alone. I just want him to leave me alone. I've said that for years now." Asked what she hoped to reclaim after this is over, Amber said, "She has a right to tell my story and I hope to get my voice back." During the trial today, the court also heard from clinical and forensic psychologist Dawn Hughes, who earlier said she had diagnosed Amber with PTSD as a result of abuse from Depp. Dr. Hughes dismissed testimony given by psychologist Dr. Shannon Curry, an expert witness for Depp's team, who said that PTSD victims are effectively unable to function, as a lawyer for Heard put it. Dr. Hughes explained this is a common misconception, adding, "People who are struggling with trauma and PTSD are very strong, courageous, resilient people, even though they are struggling." The authenticity of photos submitted by Heard, of her with alleged injuries, have been called into question by Depp's team. Today, the trial heard from computer forensics investigator Julian Ackert, an expert witness for Heard's team. He said that the specific photos he reviewed were authentic. The first witness of the day was hand surgeon Dr. Richard Gilbert, who backed Depp's version of how his finger was severed in a 2015 incident in Australia. The Pirates of the Caribbean actor says the injury occurred when Heard threw a vodka bottle at him, while she says Depp hurt himself while banging a landline phone against a wall. Dr. Gilbert said Heard's version is highly unlikely, as it would be rare for an injury like Depp's to have caused in that way. When asked why the injury is consistent with Depp's version, Dr. Gilbert said, "As Mr. Depp described, the bottle exploded, so it's certainly reasonable that the glass that exploded as well led to the soft tissue loss." He added that nobody can definitively state how the injury occurred.